This is Unboxing Raleigh Part 2, and I'm going to let you know the cold, hard truth about if you're moving to Raleigh right now, what to expect, what to consider, and how to move through your move to make it easier for you. Now, I'm going to leave 3 restaurants that I have recently tried in the description below. Go and try them, 1, 2, or all of them, and leave a comment below letting me know that if the restaurant was any good to you or if they had good food, so that other people that see this video will be able to go to that restaurant and enjoy the goodness that Raleigh has to offer with the food now. Okay, now if you're moving to Raleigh right now, major changes have happened since I've moved here. I moved here in 2011, and there has been a total shift in Raleigh right now. So let me get to the first thing that you will see that I experienced, or you may not have experienced that I experienced when I came here, and that is downtown Raleigh. Now, when I went out downtown for the first time on the weekend, it was a ghost town. It was the dead zone. Nobody was there. But now, if you go there, it will be crowded. Downtown will be crowded with bars, restaurants, and it is very lively, and it sometimes can get very crowded. So if you're looking for parking, you can't really park downtown on the weekend. It's booming. The hotels, you walk into the hotels, it's booming. It's almost becoming like a big city. So I know I say I'm unboxing North Carolina, but I'm sure the same thing is going on in Charlotte. That is going on in Raleigh. Now, one of the things that has dramatically changed is Raleigh used to have some rural areas, and people still contact me about finding farmland and they want to hunt. But guess what? Raleigh is turning into more of an urban area. So if you're coming here looking for rural land, raising horses, chickens, things of that nature, it's going to be a very hard find. And you're going to have to be paying around $3 million or so. Now, when I moved here in 2011, medium home price was $230,000. Now the medium home price is $419,000. That's a very dramatic increase. And people that have large reserves of cash that have been contacting me have not been able to find the property they are looking for, because we are in a housing shortage. And if there's a property in that price range, it's not gonna be what you want, might be a little bit overpriced, but I will work hard and diligently to find the property of your needs. So you can contact me in the description below, and I'll get hard at work for you. So there's been a change in landscape. You know, we have the North Hills area. They're still building in the North Hills. That's more of a ritzy, glitzy type of feel, where you can go and shop and eat and things of that nature. They've built that up dramatically. When I visited Raleigh before 2011, none of that was here. But when I came back, it was built up like a little city. They're building up around the cities of Raleigh to other cities, and they're branching out. So you're going to start to see more new construction and home developments in those areas, which is a very good thing. Now, when I moved here, as far as restaurants, things of that nature, it was hard to find someplace good to eat. So fast forward to now, we have chefs moving in from different areas, opening up restaurants, and the food has dramatically changed, because I know I'm from New York, and there's good restaurants on every corner. Because there's so much competition, you have no choice but to serve good food. And that's what's beginning to happen in Raleigh right now. Last but not least, and this is what I want to talk about, and this is what gets on people's nerves. Now, it's not about the people that was here or originally from Raleigh. What is going on is if you have to be a very good driver when you move here, because the way they drive here is nothing but craziness. So let me explain. You could be in a lane, driving down the road, another merging lane next to you, a merging lane, and they will do stunts to pass you by any means necessary. You will think they're gonna crash their car or cause harm to themselves and you, just trying to pass you. It's very, very crazy. And don't let it rain or snow, because the traffic will get slower, because one lane will be shut down, because you will see so many accidents throughout the day, because wherever they moved from, they do not know how to drive. And that's the cold, hard facts. That's what's happening. There's more subjects, there's more things that I could touch on, but I'll let you see it when you get here, or you probably have experienced in it, or leave your experiences in the comment below to let other people know, about your experiences when you move to Raleigh. And be prepared for the summer, the humidity. Wear sandals, wear shorts. You want to barely have nothing even on, because it's going to get so hot down here during the summer. So those are the things I wanted to share, those experiences I wanted to share with you in regards to when I moved here, and fast forward to what's happening right now. So please like and subscribe to the channel, giving you great information. Might not be great to you, but I know it's great to somebody else. So just click subscribe, and I can't wait to meet you if you want to connect. All right. It's Rodell the Realtor with eXp Realty, and I give you results that will move you.